Okay, it's recording. Go ahead. Remember, 1 foot first, the pedal that's up.
That was the pedal that was
Yep,
up.
push it forward just a little bit. Only 1 foot, remember? 1 foot and push off with it.
You move the bike forward, it'll move the pedal forward.
There you go. There you go. Good job. There you go. Woohoo! Keep going. Come back this way.
Right next to you?
Wherever you want to go. I'll follow you. You can do it. Remember, just 1 foot to get going first, okay? And then pick your other foot up. Yep, look where you're going. There you go. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. Push off. There. Yep, try again. You can do it.
Spirit didn't even fall. I could do this. I said spirit.
It's okay. Move the bike forward, honey. Remember? So hold on. So this pedal moves forward like this. There you go. There you go. There you go. Go. Keep going. You got it. Good job. Turn this way a little bit.